Okay, today you're going to learn how to draw a prettyful mermaid. So what you always want to do first is get your marker. Any color that you want, that the outline is going to be, So, first, here's what you do. You go ahead and you draw the head. And if you want to, you can already add some hair. Beautiful hair. Then, obviously my eye color is green, but I prefer blue for a mermaid. So like right here. Now, whoever's watching this that's like under 14, I'm 14, so I'm just going to be a little bit better than you are, but that's going to be just fine because everybody has art in them. Then, you want to go ahead and do your nose, however shape and size yours is. And then your mouth. And then you obviously want to do your fin color, which I love the color blue. So, we're going to go ahead and we're going to do the neck right here. Then the shoulders. You know how you have mermaids in water, so their shoulders like kind of squaggly? Make sure to do that. And then you do their arms, and then their hand, and then their arm again. And just do the same thing on the other side and just make it look prettyful. And then obviously, if you don't have enough on the other page, you want to make sure to do the belly button too. You don't have enough on the other page, on this page right here. Oh my gosh, that makes it prettyful. Why didn't I think of that? Then you want to flip over to the other page and finish off your mermaid tail. Like that prettyful mermaid tail right there. Do you see it? Anyway, then you would want to go ahead and just shade it in all black so you can see it more better when you go to show your friends. You know what I mean? Make sure to stay in the lines perfect. Don't leave any white spots because then that'll make you look childish. Now since I'm obviously haven't been drawing for that long, I'm not that perfect in staying into the lines, but here's one tip if you get out of the lines, which I'll show you up here, which is, you can see it closer. Here, I'll draw a circle for you to look. Right here, you're going to want to, like say, I got out of the lines on this shape, right? So I got out of the lines. Uh-oh. What do? Make the circle the size of that shape. And now it's all prettyful and beautiful. And you can just color it in more. Ta-da! So, after I've done my fin, I'm going to rip out these pages and show them to you. So, here's my first half. It's so prettyful. One time, I almost had my artwork in display on a really famous museum in my room because I won. Almost. And then here's my other half that I didn't get finished. Oh, don't look at that. That's the part where I showed you what to do. Beautiful, right? Well, that's how you draw a mermaid tail. So, if you could be able to subscribe, that would be like so totes cool. Bye now.